Hey guys, today is another What's New at Dollar Tree, and I actually found quite a bit of stuff just because I haven't done a What's New in like a week and a half or so, and Dollar Tree is always putting out new stuff. So as you saw there, the very first item was a new tote bag, farmer's market style, love it, and then some new socks in the men's collection. I love the robots and the ramen pattern. I thought those were really fun and surprising to find those prints at Dollar Tree, and I think these are great stocking stuffers for guys, especially if you just don't know what to get them. Socks is always great. And then they do have some women's socks. Actually, I think they were in a Dollar Tree haul of mine, so you would have seen them there first. But here are these cute little patterns, and again, I keep saying this, but it reminds me of Forever 21. I am going to have to kind of clear my throat as I go through this voiceover. Voiceovers are actually really hard for me to do with my cough right now. So I can't tell you how many times I've actually started filming or started recording my voiceover and I've had to cut it off because I've been hacking away. But anyway, some really fun, interesting stuff again at Dollar Tree. These elephants, this crazy amount of detail, very surprising, and then a bunch of new little like bits and baubles. I really don't know what to call these, but just like random decor pieces and little mushrooms. I think they're really cute. And I feel like Dollar Tree is always like either silver or gold and sometimes white. I just wish they would put out more colors. Then these balls, these decorative balls, they label them as decorative gifts. I'm not sure how they're a gift, but if you know, comment down below and let me know how you would gift this. They're definitely new, I'll tell you that much. And the next things, these are not new, but the scent is new. These Bolero products have been coming back to Dollar Tree time and time again. Bolero, I don't think is a product done by Greenbrier, which is associated to Dollar Tree, but they just keep putting out new scents, and I love how there's a ton of like different stuff. You could definitely make like a spa beauty gift basket for Christmas, especially if you're doing like a white elephant or like coworker gift and you don't know what to do. That's a great safe couple of little items that you could do for a gift basket. And then some new glassware. I wasn't really impressed with the plaid. I feel like it looked a little cheap, but I am appreciative that they are putting out plaid and that they know it's very trendy. And then these fun little cups, glass cups with these fun little sayings and things like that. And yeah, so new gift bags. I'm really excited. I still feel like 2016 was the best year yet, and I don't know. I'm hoping, I'm praying that they're gonna put out some new bags, but these are the ones that I found recently, and they're not bad, but 2016 is still better. I'm gonna hold 2016 up on a pedestal probably for a really long time. Here are some decorated ornaments, or what are these called? Motion activated? What does that actually mean? I just realized that the box says that, but I don't motion activate it? I don't know. Comment down below if you know what they do. And of course, gold and silver again. Some new signs, even though I've shown you guys a couple of new signs in past videos. This baby, it's cold outside, and the oh dear seems to be a little bit new. Maybe not the oh dear. Maybe oh dear was out last year, but the baby, it's cold outside seemed new to me. And then some new window stickers. I really like these longer versions. I hauled a bunch of these a couple weeks ago. I'll try to find that video and link it at the end for you. I'm obsessed with them. I can't wait to decorate my planner with them, but that's what I use them for. Clearing that throat again. And then I love that Dollar Tree puts out some vintage candies. I think that's really fun. They've got the ribbon candy, which is pretty vintage. It's been around for a very long time. And these little, I don't know what these are, but they were pretty broken. I don't know if you could tell. I guess they were trying to use candy canes and swirl them like a Christmas tree. But anyway, just showing you some new stuff in the candy section. And then these little train sets, I love these. These would be great for advent calendars, you guys. If you just don't know what to put in them, this would be something fun to put in there. And they have a ton of stuff in their little party aisle that you can definitely use to fill up advent calendar bags, like these fun novelty glasses. Just fun to kind of just wear them around the house and be silly, or while you're watching a movie, or even like while you play board games, whatever. And let's see, what is next? I can't even see the screen. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing in the aisles and how much candy there is. They're actually putting out Godiva chocolates. I've never seen Godiva brand at Dollar Tree, or maybe I have, but you know, y'all know my bad memory. So, and they have these Reese's miniatures that looks like holiday lights. That's really fun. Don't know if the candy's worth $1 because I don't know how much quantity I don't know if you're getting the best bang for your buck. Maybe Walmart is better, but it's still great to kind of buy little snacks at Dollar Tree if you're already there and you're buying it out of convenience. And then they have these peppermint scented what do they call it? Fragrance sachets? I don't know if I'm even saying that right, but I don't know. I was thinking, I wonder if it would work putting it like in a Christmas tree and making it smell like that. I don't know. Comment, let me know what you think. And then some new scarves. This print matches wrapping paper that they have and some tin cans, which you're gonna see, or which you would have seen in a haul. No, the haul I think is after this video. But yeah, they have the scarf matching the wrapping paper and tin cans. I was really surprised by that. And then as you saw, some coloring books and some new gift boxes. I love these gift boxes. I think they had a variation of these out last year, but these might be new prints. I'm not quite sure. Again, that memory. And my cough is bothering me, so I'm kind of distracted a little bit. But yeah, and then some new glassware, some decorative glassware. Very farmhouse to me. I don't know what other style. I mean, I guess those glasswares could be for a lot of different things as well. And then some new Play-Doh Crayola style. And what I found to be super interesting about these, well, one is the shape of the container, and two is they actually named the color of the dough to actual colors in their crayon boxes. So like the Granny Smith green, that is an actual name of a crayon in their coloring box of crayons or whatever. So I just wanted to point that out. Those are also great for stocking stuffers, advent calendars, and all kinds of things. Again, it's just giving you some ideas. And then they have these Crayola piggy banks. Crayola seems to be really making its way into Dollar Tree lately, with the paints and the Play-Doh and all kinds of things. And just showing you again some more items that are new. And then I was really surprised by these last couple of products because they're toys, and the very last one is a little robot. That's a very retro toy that I remember playing with back in the 80s, and they're finger puppet versions of it. So I thought that was really cool, and especially if you know someone who loves like 80s novelty toys, that would be a fun gift to give them. It's only $1. But that's basically it for my what's new. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to link 2 videos down below, and you can just click either one that you prefer. It will take you straight to that video, and then you can click subscribe. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.